Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by s squared. Next, I will put the s go to the right. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. Now, we need to concentrate on this one. So, we need to use about integration by parts. So, I will put about u equals to s. So, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to the s. dv we have sine 3x ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to negative 1 over 3 cosine 3x. So, we have u multiplied by v minus, we have the u multiplied by v. So, we have negative and negative. We simplify, and that is about positive. And we have 1 over 3, the integration cosine 3x ds. So, the integration of this one, we have 1 over 3 sine 3x, and I will put about c. And this one, we have 1 over 9 sine 3x. So the integration of dy, we have y. This one, we have this one. The next one, we have negative number 4 over x, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.